Hi, this is Margarita, and I'll be presenting the summary of data meeting number 4 for Group 3, which includes myself and Erica. So Erica and I met for 1.5 hours using Google Hangouts. We've consistently been using Google Hangouts during our meetings just because we really like the collaborative features it includes. We had written down the steps of data meeting 4 according to Venables on our planning protocol rubric. That way we could refer to it during our meeting and kind of save some time instead of going back through the book when we had a question. We had also created and shared a Google Docs version of both the planning protocol rubric as well as the action plan template so that we could work collaboratively on both documents at the same time during our meeting. So step 1 was to share and review the strategies that each of us found. Erica and I both brought 2 different strategies we wanted to share with each other during our meeting. I shared the interactive word wall and exit tickets, and Erica shared her strategies of the give one, get one, move on protocol and the student choice boards. So while we were sharing our strategies, not only did we give each other a short description of what the strategy was, but we also gave each other time to explore it on our own and maybe watch the introduction videos. That way we could each understand it for ourselves. In terms of the interactive word wall, this is something that we decided I could integrate into my classroom right away. Exit tickets, we also decided would be ungraded, but weekly. And the other 2 we will be using for extra practice and homework. Step 2 was rating the strategies using the planning protocol rubric. In terms of creating this, Erica and I worked collaboratively on a Google Docs that we created. We went through each category of the rubric that was created, and we both agreed on the rating that we would give each strategy based on the impact on learning, student engagement, and depth of knowledge. At times, our numbers were slightly different, but after discussing them further, we were able to come up with a single rating for each part of the rubric. Step 3 in Venables' protocol for data meeting number 4 was creating an action plan. For this part, it was really nice that Erica had taught Spanish before because she could kind of help me tweak the strategies and adapt them so that they could be applied in a world language class. For this part, we decided that the interactive word wall will be posted on the spare whiteboard I have in my class, and I will post the key question and sentence starters that students learn during the week, and this will be done bi-weekly, and it should be done by October 27th. Some of the artifacts that I'll be sharing with Erica are pictures of the word wall and student voice surveys. Another strategy that I'll be implementing are ungraded exit tickets or closure activities. This way I can kind of gauge student progress and understanding before they take their formal quiz on Friday. These will also be given weekly. Erica found a strategy called Give One, Get One, Move On protocol, where before their formal formative assessments, students can present their learning to their peers and organize it within a grid. We decided that this would be best done every Friday before their quiz, and it would just be another really good way to help them review beforehand. And then finally, in terms of revamping some of the homework I've been giving, Erica found that we could do student choice boards. So students have to complete a certain number of activities on their choice boards every week, but they can choose which kinds of activities they like best. And these will also be given weekly, but it will be over the course of a week because it'll include their weekly homework. Some of the strengths of our meeting were that we both came prepared with our strategies we wanted to share and felt comfortable with the protocol for data meeting number 4, according to Venables. Another strength was that we gave each other time to review and watch the videos for the strategies we were sharing with each other so that we could understand the strategies for ourselves as well. We also took turns giving our input during the scoring of strategies and openly discussed any differences of opinions we had. And Erica was very helpful and considerate of my time available and abilities to implement all of the strategies shared. So again, she helped me tweak the student choice boards so that they would be relevant to a world language class. Some of the weaknesses we incur this week, just because it's not a shorter group project and we have to meet every week throughout the semester, it can be difficult staying available for the same times every week, but we were flexible with each other. So in that way, it was a strength in the end. And on my part, I thought it could be a little overwhelming to think about all of the new strategies I have to implement in such a limited amount of time for this course when I have so many other procedures and systems in place. But overall, we did think our meeting went well, and we ended up with a productive action plan. Thank you.